In the previous video, we learned how to add the course. In this video, we will learn how to add batches under a course. So this is the course that we listed. These are the basic things about the course. Now to add a batch, we will click on Manage Batches. Here we already have one batch that will start on June 22nd and end on July 17th. To add a new batch, we will click on the Create Batch button. Please complete this form. With a name, a start date, an end date, as well as a status, and click Create. Here is the basic information on the batch we just created. As you can see, the registered student count is 0 because no students have signed up yet. We have our start date listed, as well as our end date. From here, we can delete this batch, update this batch, or mark this batch as complete. Students, when they log in, will see the different batches for the course with all the information that is listed.